Snakes here. For today, maglalaro tayo ng Amber Alert! So, kapag nahuli ako, end video agad. So, maglaro na tayo. Huwag na tayong maraming sinasabi. Simulan na natin agad. So guys, isa-isi muna tayo. Hala. Ako lang ata mag-isa dito. Ako lang ata mag-isa dito eh. So, wow. Welcome Amber Alert. Welcome to Amber Alert. Collect some apples, sell them to the shop. Putik, ano yun? Gulat agad ako, wala pang. Saan ako kukuha ng apple? Open door, yes. I will open the door. What the? Let's take an apple. Apple daw. Sell apple. Ay, wala pa akong apple. So, guys, kailangan natin makakuha ng apple bago tayo tayo tatakbo. Ba't tayo nakatakbo agad? Mamaya hindi tayo makatakbo.
Walang tsunami dyan.
Hindi pa. Maglalaro pa rin ako nito kahit takot ako. Ay, wala akong Robux na. Wala na akong Robux. Okay, open the. Oh, putik na to. Putik na to, guys. Guys. Oh my goodness. Saan ba nakakakuha ng apple? Ay, doon pala eh. Collect apple. Collect apple. Collect apple. Collect apple. Collect apple. Puta. Takbo ba ako? Ma! Tao. Ano ba to? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, may paparating ba? Sell apple. Yeah! Ha ha ha. Anong gagawin ko?
An unsettling elderly
Anong
man
gagawin
with his face
ko?
painted white has been reported swaying back and forth before suddenly chasing people. He moves unpredictably and may follow victims for extended distances. Avoid eye contact, keep your distance, and leave the
Hindi
area immediately.
ko marunong maglaro na ito. Wow! So, yun guys. And the video nahuli tayo agad. Guys, nakakatawa pero nakakatakot din. So guys, part 2 next time. Wag niyo kakalimutan mag-follow Nightstar. Road to 100 followers tayo ah. Comment for part 2. Bye!